Umar Kashif, and I've been here in Canada for the last 1 year. A friend of mine, he just referred me to this institution, which I found a great institution in terms of your personal development and your technical skills as well. And it can boost your career 100 times. I'm not kidding, it is not an exaggeration. It really can do that. It is all about putting your mind to it, and these instructors over here, they help you technically and for your personal development as well. I testify, and I'm giving this testimony. I have attended 1.5 month course over here for Active Directory, and I'm already signing it for the full path because I want to grow myself technically and personally as well.